What's a beautiful Christmas without some yummy chocolate banana bread? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassandra. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this yummy chocolate banana bread. So get your two ripe bananas. The riper it is, the better your banana bread. You're going to mash that and make sure that it's not too mashed because you still want to see a little bit of chunks. We don't want this to be too smooth. And after mashing your ripe bananas, then you're going to add some eggs into the mixture. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button for more amazing recipes. Add your two eggs and you're going to add in some milk. You can use any type of milk that you want. Here I'm just using some whole milk and I added half cup, and then you're going to add some melted butter. Stir this together and make sure that it is evenly combined. If you love recipes like this, amazing simple recipes, healthy recipes for that matter, then you need to subscribe to my channel. Add some vanilla flavor or vanilla essence, anyone that you prefer. Stir this up together and then you're going to pour in the dry ingredients. Add some flour. I'm also going to be adding some cocoa powder just for that chocolate feel. Add some brown sugar or white sugar. I'm adding a little bit of nutmeg. I added some baking powder and some baking soda. After mixing this, just like as you can see in the video, I'm going to be adding some white chocolate chips. Now this is optional. I just wanted this to be really, really chocolatey. And kids are really going to love this. So after mixing that together, we're going to pour this into a pan lined with some baking sheet. Make sure that everything goes into the pan. We're not going to waste anything. Shake it up a little bit to prevent air bubbles, and then add your dark chocolate for just some toppings. You can also add any kind of thing you want for your toppings. Now bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after baking, this is exactly what it should look like. This banana bread recipe is so simple to make. It's super delicious. And of course, you're going to wow your guests. Make this Christmas super fun for them and try out these recipes. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this out. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course, share to your friends and family. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.